want to do the same things. Someone will be lazy, someone will be make their effort to accomplish the goal, the task. And the next, we will introduce the Gini number to introduce the relationship between competitive and cooperation in our real world.
Okay, next. Have you ever heard the Gini number?
Yes.
It's also known as Gini coefficient or Gini ratio. It is the measure of the equality among the values of a frequency distribution, like the levels of income. The Gini number of 0 expresses the exactly equal. For example, the Gini number of the country A is 0. The people has exactly equal income in country A. On the other hand, the Gini number of 1 expresses totally unequal. So please look at this map. This map shows the Gini number of in each country all over the world. You can see that the country which high in Gini number are in the South America and the African continent. And the research of Gini number is conducted in many countries, so I'd like to focus on the following countries like Japan, Taiwan, and US and UK. So this graph shows the income inequality in each country. So from this chart, there's a Taiwan and Japan is here. There is no big income difference in these two countries, Taiwan and Japan. However, this country, UK and USA, there is still big income differences in these two countries. Even they are recognized as developed countries. So why there is such a difference in Gini number, even among the developed countries like Japan and USA? There are some reasons for this. So I'd like to focus on the historical background. For example, Taiwan and Japan, these countries used to be an agricultural society, and our society is based on cooperation. On the other hand, the USA and UK, these two countries have experienced many industrial revolutions, and they led to the earlier capitalism. So their society is based on competition. So from this research, we can say that there is a strong relationship between the Gini number and cooperation and competition in each country. So please look at this graph. This shows the percentage of the people with any mental illness in each country. The Japan, UK, and USA are circled in red in the graph. You can see Japan on the left below, and UK and USA are in the upper right. So from this chart, in Japan, there is the percentage of the people with mental illness is not so high. However, in the UK and US, there are a large number of the people with mental illness.
This graph shows the reliability among the people
in each country along with their income inequality. From this graph, you can see that the level of reliability is closely proportional to the income inequality. For example, in Japan, the country with a small income difference, people trust each other as well. On the other hand, UK and USA, the country with a big income difference, the reliability among people is low. Next graph shows the relationship between child well-being and income inequality. Like UK and USA, child well-being is strongly influenced by the income difference. Their researches show us that there is a strong relationship between Gini or income inequality and the quality of our life.
Actually, the cooperation is easy and common in our daily life. For a concrete example, there are some pictures we took when we are discussion. We discuss the project together, share ideas, and we love the cooperation. And the conclusion, first, the cooperation promotes communication and reduces misunderstanding. Second, cooperation makes us live in a more peaceful society and decreasing potential dangers. Third, because the cooperation improves the relationship of human beings, so cooperation is more important than competition for well-being. Thank you for your kind attention.